All right, good afternoon. This is our video for Wednesday. As I mentioned yesterday, I was hoping that we would review our volume of solids for today, and tomorrow we're going to have a quiz, and I did figure out how to get one on there, and so it is there. I haven't published it yet. I'll publish it later, and you will need to complete it on there. And I wrote a comment. There's multiple choice, and then there are some pictures of multiple choice, and then there's a picture of an open response. I'm going to want you to email me all of your work. So when you get finished, you can enter into the Schoology and the multiple choice and so forth, but I really want to see what you wrote on your paper. And so when you get finished, take pictures and email me all of your pictures. Remember that attendance is taken by you submitting the assignment. And so for today, you need to take pictures of all of your work. For Tuesday, you will need to hopefully have taken pictures of all of your work and sent it to me and submitted something on Schoology saying you've done that. For today, the quiz will be your proof that you were in attendance. Tomorrow, we're going to do some more work on reviewing not just volume, but the area and the slope fields. And then Friday, we'll see what kind of test I can come up with. Now, I was hoping to hear from more of you this morning. I did hear from Holden, and we worked some problems together. I haven't gotten any questions other than thank you, Cassidy, for sending me the question when you were checking your answers. So what I want you to do today is to check over. I'm going to give you the answers to all of your problems. I want you to check over that hopefully before our time slot of 10:30 to 11, so you can ask questions. And then at 11 o'clock, I will release the quiz, and then you can take it between 11 o'clock and 7 p.m. tomorrow. And then I will close it down. So as someone said, these are not summer vacation days, so you are going to have to put in some work. If you have a problem with that time slot, email me and we'll see what we can do. I want to start with the answers from the book. And so from the book, this would be page 463. The answer to number 2 is 256 pi over 15. Number 4, 18 pi. Number 6, well, this one's ugly, 448 square roots of 2 pi over 15. Actually, I don't think I made you do that one. I can see why. All right, number 7 and 9, the answers are in the back of the book. Number 10, 153 pi over 5. Number 12, part A, 16 pi. Part B, 128 pi over 3. Part C, 896 pi over 15. D, 16 pi over 3. Number 19, 23, 25, 31 are all in the back. All right. All the rest of the answers from the book work should be in the back of the book. All right, for your packet, from the first packet, you should have 72 pi over 5, 108 pi over 5, and 243 pi. And you can pause and look at that more closely if you need to. For the second page, you can see number 1, 1.949, number 2, 34.199, number 3, 17.099. Number 4 has the points of intersection here, which were needed here with an answer of 0.486. At the top, number 4, 2.979, number 5, 4.559, and then for the open response, part A, 2.986, B, it said write it but do not evaluate it, and then for C, again, it says write but do not solve, even though it kind of looks like I did solve. You can also look up the open response questions on the internet. All right, our packet from Friday. I worked a couple of these yesterday. Let's start with number 3. Your answer should be 0.250. Number 4, 0.108. Number 5, 1.493. Number 6, 0.586. Number 7, 0.646. Number 8, 0.746. On the open response, part A, 98.867. Part B, 3.574. Part C, they wanted you to write it but not solve it. On the last open response, A, 6.817, B, 168.180, C, 26.267. And so tomorrow we will have a quiz over volume of a solid. You will be allowed to use your calculator. Again, it'll be on Schoology, so you'll need to go through the Schoology portion of it and put in your answers. Then you will also need to take pictures of your work that you did and email that to me as well, and I'll put the two together and come up with your grade. So hope to hear from you guys tomorrow. On your Zoom, if you zoom in to talk to me, be sure your microphone is on. I had a couple of students today, their microphone was not on and it was difficult. We can still chat and type and ask questions, but if you could go into your settings and turn on the microphone, that would be very helpful.